Hello folks, this is Rajesh Dorbala and welcome to Rajesh Dorbala Tutorials. In this session, we are going to discuss the various stages in competition. So let's see what is the learning outcome for today. In this session, we would be learning to describe the stages in competition. So what those various stages are, let us see and explore. So this visual gives you the idea of the stages of competition. And I've taken this visual from Rajan Saxena's book, Marketing Management, 4th edition, that is Tata McGraw-Hill edition. So let us see the various stages of competition that we have. Okay. First and foremost, you have this competition for opportunity. Then you have competition for resources and competencies. Then you have competition for existing markets. So these are the various stages of competition. And here you have the various forces that impact the competition. They are the suppliers, the customers, technology, regulations. So this is what we have discussed in the previous session as well. So I won't be discussing these forces which impact the competition. I would be emphasizing only on the stages of competition. So first and foremost is the competition for opportunity. So the competition for opportunity entirely depends on the vision of the organization and the leadership. The broader the vision, the more number of opportunities that could be envisioned. So here, for instance, let us see when Jio enters the telecom. So it does not just look for telephony or the communication. It has a broader vision and tries to figure out the need for cheaper communication, the need for better, faster, reliable internet, and moreover, it also envisioned the way people consume internet and the kind of entertainment that people are looking for. So it added those Geo movies, Geo music. Okay, then it collaborated with Savan, Geo Savan. Then you have magazines, news, and all those things integrated together. And just with a technology of communications, which could foster better and faster communications, they looked into the opportunity into various different segments. The same way, they are also venturing into broadband. So this way, what is happening is the moment the leadership has that vision, the broader the vision, the better the opportunity is. So first and foremost is the competition for opportunity. So any new entrant into any vertical or segment, they look for opportunities. So that's the reason. Understand, if I have a bigger, broader vision, a foresighted vision, I figure out more number of opportunities in that segment, right? So that is first and foremost, that is competition for opportunity. And then comes the resources and competencies. Now, Prahalad and Hamill, okay, you must know this, Gary Hamill and C.K. Prahalad. In one of their legendary theses, they had mentioned that the coming era would be all about information. So just product differentiation and all will be non-existent in the future. They would be inconsequential. So the future is all about information and competencies. So those organizations which have access to information and the competencies to use this information in their best interest would be the leaders, would be the ones who would lead the market. So in the second stage, the entire competition is for resources and competencies. So these firms which are capable of extracting information, generating value from information, and taking some data-driven decisions. As we say, data is the new oil. So the big data analytics, the customer analytics, okay, the product analytics, the pricing analytics, all emerge from the information that these companies are able to grasp and gather. So those firms which have got the maximum access to information and they have the competencies to use this information would be the ones who would come as winners. Then you have the competition for existing markets. Now, this is the actual battleground. This is the actual place where the actual marketing warfare happens. So you see, in this, the competition for existing markets, you would find the various firms adopting various strategies, marketing warfare strategies. At the same time, this is the competition for existing markets. This is the place where, or this is the stage where you would see the maximum factors, the environmental factors taking place, and these are these environmental factors help or foster in firms to become better or come out as winners, or they can also play a detrimental factor in pulling down the business. So there are, this is the place where differentiation, you have to differentiation. This is the stage where you have to differentiate yourself in terms of the product offering, the price offering, or maybe the service offering. And moreover, the way you leverage the information will help you take the leading position in the existing markets. So to summarize, the 3 stages of competition is: number 1, the competition for opportunity. You are vying for opportunities. The broader the vision, you are able to scout more number of opportunities. Secondly, that is the resources and competencies. The kind of resources you have, the kind of competencies you have will definitely give you an edge in the market. Right now in the market, the resources, the most important and vital resource that any firm could have is access to information, and the best competency one could have is how to use that information. And the third one is competition in the existing markets. That is how you can differentiate yourself and how you can position yourself as a favorable brand in the minds of the consumers. Hope you found this video to be useful, informative. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.